Welcome to the virtual office training. Today we will learn quick ways to insert slicer in Excel. Here is an employees record and I want to insert the slicer of gender and designation in this record. How can we insert the slicer? First you have to create the pivot table. Just select all your data first and go to the insert. Here you will find the option pivot table. Just click here and click OK. It will insert the pivot table in new sheet. I want to display the field of employee's name and salary in pivot table. I just check both of field. Now I want to insert the slicer. In Analyze tab you will find the option Insert Slicer. Just click here. It will display all the field. Just check the gender and designation and click OK. It will insert both of the slicer. If you want to display the female record, just click here. It will display the female record. If you want to display the male record, just click here. It will display the male record. If you want to clear the filter, just click here. It will clear the filter. If you want to display the accountant record, just click here. If you want to display the manager record, just click here. If you want to clear the filter, just click here. This is one way to insert the slicer. I just delete this slicer. Now I will tell you the another quick way to insert the slicer. For example, I want to insert the gender slicer. In gender field, just right click. It will display add as slicer option. Just click here. It will add the gender slicer. Now I want to insert the designation slicer. Just right click here and click add as slicer. It will insert the designation slicer. That's way you can insert the slicer very quickly. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.